Welcome back to Morris Lubricants in Shrewsbury. Okay, you've been here several times.
I've been here a few times.
Yeah,
but I've not been here since you've had all this line.
You can hear me all right, because a bit of noise, because it's a busy blending operation here, manufacturing facility.
Yeah. Everyone's at work. Yeah, go on.
But the reason why we're here today is basically to show you some of the upgrades to our manufacturing facility.
Right.
And we're standing in amongst one of the upgrades now. So this is our new tank farm. Okay. We needed more bulk storage for the filling operation, which is beneath us, which we'll be looking at as well. So this is all bespoke. It's only been sort of commissioned within the last sort of 18 months. But this is put in place to really accommodate the demand for more products and more different products as well.
Yeah.
So there's more technology required now. So what we're actually doing up here is making sure...
More technology required in what way?
In terms of engine hardware, in terms of transmission systems. So everything is becoming more fragmented, okay? Everyone's got their own ideas about engine technologies, about transmission technologies, etc. So that means we have to have more products. And when you have more products, you've got to find some way of filling more products, essentially, and storing them to be able to fill them. So this tank farm, which has got 30 brand new tanks in it, okay? So we've got 30 tanks here, okay? It's a proper rabbit warren.
Tank farm.
Yeah. So we've got loads of tanks up here, 30 tanks. They range from just over 9,000 litres.
Yeah.
And we've got some which are just under 5,000 litres, depending on, the demand for that particular product. So we've got lots of product on tap. So as the filling demand comes in, we can accommodate that straight away. And they're all flexible. They can all be changed. We try and keep the same products in the same tanks, but depending on demand, depending on what filling runs we're looking at, we can swap grades out and put different grades of lubricant in as and when required. So a lot of flexibility. We've gone kind of flagship on the material. So all this is dairy quality steel, stainless steel. Okay, so,
I was looking at the welding.
Yeah.
It's a nice
job. It's
all
an
the
absolute...
all the welding.
Oh, it's amazing,
What a nice job.
It's artistic almost.
Yeah.
So it took, as I say, the installation took time, the fabrication took time, but now this installation is in, as I say, it's given us additional filling capability and flexibility as well. And the other part of this system really was to try and make us more efficient, because we've been on this site for a long time, since the late 1920s. So as the company has kind of grown and developed, the manufacturing process has been very hodgepodge, okay, within the four walls that we've got almost.
Yeah.
So we had to look at the process flow to the plant. So what we've done as part of our upgrades in our infrastructure is to make the process flow more linear. So we make stuff, we store it, we fill it, we dispatch it in a much more linear way.
Yep,
so we're more efficient.
Okay.
So we can fill more in a shorter space of time, basically.
Right. More efficient use of the space that you've got.
Absolutely, and time that we've got.
Because we're still in the middle of Shrewsbury, aren't we?
We're still in the middle of Shrewsbury, yeah. So exactly. So so this was a big investment for the company, but it's what we need to move us to the next level, really, in terms of a manufacturing facility. Okay. So we're very proud of this, as I say. So it's fully operational now, fully utilised, and this feeds what's beneath our feet right now, which is the filling hall, where all the containers are filled, ready for moving up to our distribution centre, which we will see later.
And we're going to go up there and have a look later.
We will be seeing, where all this goes to.
And the plan today is what? We're going to go do some filling.
You'll be able to look at the filling line, the filling system downstairs, okay, see how we do that, see what changes have been made down there. We'll look at some of the blending system, the new blending system as well. And then we'll be going off-site to see our new distribution centre.
And then this pig business, we can have a look at the pig.
Oh, I've got a pig to show you, yeah.
Right, I've heard about this pig job, I'll have a look at that,
Yeah, so we'll be looking at the pigging system and I'll explain to you how that works as well.
Yeah.
Cheers and Guy, thank you.
Cheers, mate, Sam.
If you want to see any more content like this, please visit the Morris Lubricants website or our YouTube channel.